Welcome to another walk around video. Today we are looking at a 2023 Subaru Ascent Premier in magnetite gray. It is configured with 7 seats and sitting on 20-inch rims. Equipped with a 2.4-liter turbo engine producing 260 horsepower. Subaru Symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive and 8.7 inches of ground clearance let you go almost anywhere. The proximity key provides easy access to the vehicle with lock and unlock features on the door handle as well as the fob. Inside the door, we have our automatic window and mirror controls equipped with brown leather and a large panoramic sunroof. On the left side of the steering wheel, we have Bluetooth and radio controls, and on the right are the cruise control features and heated steering wheel. An 11.6-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the navigation on the bottom of the touchscreen, you will have climate controls. The Ascent Premier has captain's chairs in the middle row and seating for 3 in the third row. Thank you for watching this review, and come and see us at Subaru Saskatoon.